So I'm going on an expedition with Raven, my dog. So I think this is the first time we're coming this far. We're somewhere at the center of Nigeria, the most populous black nation in the world, the giant of Africa, and then we're at the center, the seat of power, Federal Capital Territory, and then we're still at the center of the seat of power. So you see what the capital city is made of. The capital city is a hive of big rocks, gigantic rocks. Raven! Come here! Raven! So maybe I'll climb with her Raven. She'll come and meet me. Anytime I'm going on an expedition with Raven, 30 meters around me, I feel really safe. Like 30-meter radius. You see her down there. Raven! She doesn't want to answer. That's her luck if she doesn't want to answer. Me, I'm climbing. I know she'll still come and meet me. So you see what it is? This is serious mountain climbing. We're climbing mountains. Can you imagine Raven? She's not coming. She's going to play. That dog loves play. Raven! Let me zoom out. I wish it was my other device. This one has a very poor zoom rate. For my other device has an excellent zoom. Okay, let me go without Raven. Let me go and do what I have to do without Raven. So I'm showing you guys how the things are done. This is the mining business.